have a lot of experience testing out subscription boxes for women. Probably a little bit too much experience. I give you my honest reviews of subscription boxes with my first impressions videos, and then I will follow up with a top 5 items from all my seasonal subscription boxes after I've tested them out a bit, and then we can see which box had the most favorites. My summer FabFitFun unboxing is already posted, and next week I'll be sharing my Causebox unboxing, which is an awesome box because all of their products are from companies whose missions are working for a good cause. If you're new to Artsy Cupcake, welcome. I'm Maria, and I don't only do unboxings on my channel. I share a lot of other fun videos to help bring creativity into your life. I do fashion lookbooks, home DIYs, and recipe videos too. So please consider subscribing if you like those types of things because it really helps my channel out. The Box of Style quarterly subscription box from Rachel Zoe is in my top 3 favorite subscription boxes. It is the highest price point at $99 per quarter, but you can get a discount if you purchase the whole year for $349. And it even has the fewest items from all the other boxes that I get, but what I really like about it is that they're really high quality and expensive products. So in this summer box, the retail total of all the items, if you were to buy them separately, is over $400. And since I normally try to find things at a good price for myself, they are items that I might not have picked out for myself necessarily. Sometimes I re-gift the stuff that I get in these subscription boxes, so the ones from Box of Style work really well for re-gifting since they're really nice high-end products, usually with really beautiful packaging. Some of the items are custom designed for this Rachel Zoe Box of Style, but I will make sure to look for the items and link what I can find in the description box below in case one of them catches your eye. Each item is curated for the season by Rachel Zoe and her team, and there are a really nice variety of around 5 products in the home, beauty, and fashion categories. So let's get right into this unboxing so you can see if the Box of Style subscription box might be one for you. Here we have the always beautiful packaging. This season's is blush pink. You get a little magazine going over everything in the box. And first we have a Missoni beach towel. I love the colorful zigzag pattern, and it does feel very thick and luxurious. It's perfect for summer, and it's a very large towel, great for by the pool or taking to the beach. We will have to see if it's absorbent. For a towel that retails for $220, it better be. Next is this super cute Danielle Nicole macrame handbag that retails for $100. I don't have a summer bag yet, and I have been eyeing all the cute ones that have come out in the stores. I think this one will work perfectly because it's really lightweight, so it will travel well. You can kind of squish it up and pack it in your suitcase. And macrame is really in fashion right now. I love the little wooden handle on it, but there's also a strap that can easily be hidden inside if you don't want to use that long strap. The quality feels really nice on this handbag, and I'm really excited to try this one out. The third item is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. There is always at least one beauty product in the Box of Style, and this is full-sized, and most of the products from Benefit are really good. The ones that I've tried out are. And this is a shaping and setting gel, and it retails for $24. Honestly, I'll probably sell this or regift it because I don't have very thick eyebrows, so I don't really have much to set or shape. Not much hair to work with there, unfortunately. But I will probably list this on eBay, and somebody out there will get a really good deal on it. The fourth item is this Glow Skin Beauty Oil-Free SPF 40. Have any of you tried this Glow brand before? I never have, but this one has really high reviews, and I love that it's oil-free because, well, It's pretty hot and humid during Texas summers, so yeah. SPF does have an expiration date, so I usually get a new one every summer, so this is perfect timing. This bottle retails for $38. It's really large, so it should get me through the summer. The fifth and final item in the summer box of style is a style item. These are the Machete Jewelry Kate hoop earrings in a tortoise pattern. They retail for $44. On some items in the box of style, you get a choice of pattern or color before your box ships. So this was one where I had a choice. The other color option was a pretty opal color. These are very lightweight and have stainless steel posts. I really like them. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite item was. I'm going to get to testing these out so I can report back to you on my favorites from all my summer boxes. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you know when that video of my top 5 items from all my summer boxes goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.